In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional nonprofit fundraising deck. Let's get started. From the home dashboard, I click on the Create New AI button to begin the generation process. Among the available options, I select Generate to create a presentation from a simple prompt. On the next screen, I ensure the presentation category is selected. First, I'll adjust the length of the deck by clicking the card count and selecting 6 cards for a concise pitch. Now, in the prompt box, I'll type in the specific details for our deck. I am asking for a fundraising presentation for a nonprofit building a new community center, with a focus on impact, budget, and donor ROI. Once the prompt is ready, I click Generate Outline. The AI quickly builds a structured flow, including the project's vision, the community need, and our proposed solutions. I scroll down to review the outline, checking the sections on community impact, the investment plan, and the donor's legacy. Everything looks great. Before generating the final slides, I scroll down to the customization settings. Under text content, I'll select Concise to keep the slides clean and easy to read during a presentation. With those settings locked in, I click the Generate button at the bottom. The AI now goes to work, building out the slides with relevant layouts and placeholder content. At this stage, you can start clicking directly on any slide to edit the text, change the images, or add more details to fit your specific organization's brand. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for nonprofit fundraising decks.